Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made a music player in Ruby. Before we proceed further with this video, I want to tell you to visit the link in the description and read all the instructions and then return to the video. Alright, so first of all we get started by running the code. Now the menu comes up and you gotta enter the text file as specified in the link I told you to visit. So it's album.txt. I select display all. The albums pop up, select an album, go with one, and the tracks come up and I select one. It says the track is playing and a window pops up, as you can see. Now I've muted the sound, but I'll let you know that all the functions specified work. You can also use the volume up and down buttons from the arrow keys, and also S to stop and P to play. That's pretty much it. I'd like to know from you guys if there's any help you need with making this, so let me know. If this helped you, leave a comment below. That's it guys, see you in the next video.